In today's episode of Blacksmith's Workshop, we'll take you behind the flames to discover how a beetle nut cutter is made. You know what's cool? Watching something get made by hand. Today we're gonna see how they make these beetle nut cutters. It's pretty amazing actually. Picking the right iron. First thing, you gotta pick good iron. This guy knows what he's looking for. He's been doing this for years, so he can tell just by touching which pieces will work best. Cutting it up, now he cuts the iron into smaller bits. Each piece has a job. One becomes the blade, another the handle. It's like he already sees the finished cutter in his head, putting it together. Here's where it gets interesting. He welds these pieces together to make the basic shape. The sparks are flying everywhere, but his hands are super steady. Into the fire, time for the furnace. Watch how the metal changes color, from black to red to this bright orange. That's when you know it's ready. The heat makes it soft, so he can shape it. Hammer time. This is my favorite part. Every hit of that hammer is perfect. He's not just hitting random. Each strike shapes it exactly how he wants. You can actually see the cutter taking shape, making it fit. Now comes the tricky bit, making everything fit just right. The blade has to move smooth, the handle needs to feel good in your hand, takes real skill to get this perfect. The final touch, last step, making it look as good as it works. He files off any rough bits, polishes it till it shines. Now it's not just a tool, it's something beautiful. And there you have it. From a chunk of iron to this perfect little cutter. Took hours of work, but it'll last for decades. That's what happens when real people make real things with their own hands. Pretty cool, right? In a world full of machines and factories, it's nice to know some things are still made the old way, by people who actually care about what they're making.